Hi Taurus, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for the month of November 2020. Like always, I will rely on Tarot for your overall reading. Taurus, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. I will also use a love oracle deck for your reading, maybe even a Lenormand to tap into your energies. Another thing I would also like to add here that I may use a past life deck to understand what is the past life issue that you are dealing with this month. I will link all the tarot and all the oracle decks that I've used in the description box. So maybe if you're interested in those decks, you can have a look. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November, we have the King of Wands. King of Wands, you were certainly quite creative. You were someone who was able to achieve whatever you had desired. For some of you, it was also a time to bury the hatchet and move on. Maybe you were even seeking forgiveness. Perhaps some Taurans were also dealing with the health of a loved one. Largely, I think it was a productive period, and you had also got positive feedback for whatever you were doing. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that you're going to encounter, Taurus, we have the King of Swords. There's definitely going to be enhanced communication this month. I also feel that you will have to deal with a lot of official work, maybe paperwork. Sometimes there could be emergency situations, or you may be called upon to act immediately, but you would want to take your own sweet time. I mean, you don't want to be rushed, though you should understand the gravity of the situation. Maybe an elder whom you're dealing with, or maybe a father figure, especially a paternal figure, whether at work or whether in the home environment. The person may be quite put out on account of your slow and steady approach, so you should be mindful of that. Sometimes I also feel that you may feel that as though it's always you who's being called upon, or you also have to rescue the sinking boat, and you would not want to do so. You wish others were also taking responsibility about the situation. You will wonder why it's always you who is being called to be the flag bearer. Other than that, I think money could also create discord or discontentment in your life. Influences for the month, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains can be expected in this month, but I also feel that, like I said, money issues could be a factor. So maybe if you understand that somebody is in need of money, you may dig in and you may dig into your deep pockets or in your pockets, and you may come to the rescue. You will also be sought after for your words of wisdom. Maybe people will count on you for your wise words. Maybe you're coming across as a wise owl this month. The first 10 days of November, that is 1st to 10th November, we have the Temperance card. The Temperance is the Sagittarius energy, like you're aware. So I think that because of this, you have to be very patient in your relationships. Maybe you need to put up with certain delays as well, because there could be delays, but you should understand that there's always light at the end of the tunnel, or that you will achieve your ends. You will also be concerned about the family. Maybe your home life is a bit disturbed, and that means that you get all worked up. This affects you internally as well. Perhaps, like I said, it would be best if you were a bit tactful, or if you would weigh your words before you speak them. Sometimes you may also be accused of being self-centered. Whatever the accusation may be, I think, Taurus, you're the one who's always going to be concerned, and you will always want to help, or you want to come and do the needful. Also, I think you should part with people in case there are going to people whom you're going to part with. You should part in a cordial fashion. There should be no ill will to balance karma that is involved here. Sometimes you may also have to deal with jealous or envious people around you. Maybe it could be at work, and this could make the work environment a bit oppressive as well. So maybe you may think that it's better to put in your papers. Perhaps you should not act hastily. You should understand, because it's no point crying wolf. You need money in your pocket, so it's better to take a back seat and let these days pass. Perhaps you should also build on your contacts, because they could help you in future. Another thing I'm also picking up is that you may receive payment for your services, and this could help you. 11th to 20th November, we have the card King of Cups. Did you notice, Taurus, we have a lot of kings over here. We have the King of Wands, we have the King of Cups, we have the King of Swords. So I certainly feel that you're dealing with senior people or senior male figures. Some influential men are also there. Maybe you should also consult them and take their advice, because you could benefit with on account of their gray cells. This period between 11th to 20th November, because we have the Cups card, so definitely you'll be quite intuitive and emotional as well. Maybe you should follow your inner voice, because the inner voice is never going to be wrong. I also feel that you'll take on the advisory role, or maybe you're dealing with someone who is in the medical profession. Even you could come across as someone who is a caregiver in this month, so those things could come up. Another thing, I also feel you have to find solution to your problems that are there. Maybe sometimes you may be so distraught that you could be cursing fate, but then you should count your blessings. Support could also come from other people, not your family members, so this could also leave you a bit dejected. Maybe you think that it's whatever you do is never going to be enough for them. Nonetheless, I think Taurus, in this period, you will be moving from one task to the other, and you will also be finding alternative to solutions or to problems that are there. Maybe you'll find answers to whatever the problems that you're encountering. You should also be mindful, because maybe somebody whom you're dealing with could try to sway you or try to manipulate you into doing what he wants. So when you're signing deals or when you're inking deals, then you should be careful about that. Towards the final days of November, that is 21st to 30th November, we have the Death card. So transformative experiences are quite likely. I was expecting the King of Pentacles, but then we have the Death card. Never mind, Taurus. I think certainly this is going to be a phase which will be quite transformative for you. Like I said, maybe change is going to be hard for you. You cannot resist. If you're going to resist the changes that are going to occur in your life, then it could become all the more tedious for you to handle. I also feel that there'll be emergency situations. Maybe you should be prepared for these unforeseen eventualities. Other than that, I also am picking up that whatever you desire may not be up to your expectations. Maybe you have to tone your expectations down a bit. Those who are in a good position at work, I think if you are facing problems or encountering problems, then maybe you could have a heart-to-heart talk with the management, and you will get the support that is required, and the person will also put others in their place. Maybe, like I said, there are jealous colleagues or there are people around you who are always envious of you. Some of your juniors will also appreciate you. Even appreciation will come forward from your co-workers as well. Basically, you'll be happy with the output. With respect to your love life, we have the card Shadow Work. There are certain issues. Maybe you're ignoring the dark side of a person, or maybe there are some negative issues within you also that need to be handled. This is affecting your relationships, no doubt, in this month. Those who have someone on the life, I think this person or you may be cyber-stalking the person. Maybe you also can expect marriage proposals, especially from matrimonial sites or from dating sites. I think also Taurus, I think maybe you should not string anybody along in case somebody has a hots for you or somebody is interested in you. Maybe you should draw the line, because this is also a negative facet of our personality when we string someone along, because this means that we are adding negative karma to our own life. Those who are romancing, I also feel that you may plan to meet or you may plan to date, but some plans may go up in smoke or they may not come about. So that could also make you a bit upset. I feel also that sometimes you may be undemonstrative, or maybe you may withhold yourself, because shadow work also talks about that. Maybe you need to understand that what is it about you that is also making this relationship a bit less romantic or less harmonious. Those who are in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think you can hear from your ex-flame, especially towards the final days of the month. I also feel that it could overwhelm you a bit. Some of you may also come across your ex or someone with whom you've had a relationship in the past. Maybe even in your dreams you could feel that person is coming into your dreams, or there could be visions of your ex. But you may also want to put an end to it also. Maybe you think that why should you always make the effort to reach out to that special someone, or to the person who's been in your relationship on an on again off again basis. Married Taurans, I think your partner is going to be a bit suspicious or a bit fishy. Maybe he could think that you're being inattentive as well. Maybe he thinks that you're being too nice towards members of the opposite sex, or maybe you're spending too much time with them. So sometimes you may also feel that you always made the scapegoat. Other than that, I think that those who are in an extramarital relationship, I think you should tone it down a bit. Maybe your confidant will remind you that you're living in a fool's paradise. The past life issue that you're dealing this month is baby. The card baby, maybe in your, I think whatever sensations you're getting when I have put this card could be the right message that your universe or the guides want you to hear. Maybe there's an issue related to a child or your childhood, because shadow work also talks about issues with respect to whatever you've encountered as a child that is affecting your relationship. Some of you may have also lost a baby in this lifetime or maybe in a past lifetime. So these issues are affecting your baby. These are the painful memories that you have to deal with, and you have to cleanse your system of these negative emotions. Some kind of trauma could be related to the baby that you have or in a past life. Lastly, I have a card, dog, from Lenormand. So I think in this month, some positive you can take, or some you can take heart from the fact that there could be loyal friends around you who will be supportive of you, quite like the dog. Or maybe you are coming across as someone who's quite loyal and faithful, because you're being called, or you're in situations where you're being called upon to take responsibility. So like that, you may be the dutiful child, or you may be the dutiful wife or spouse, or even the dutiful mother, friend as well. So that is what makes Taurus special. I mean, you're always going to be someone who's there. You know, at the bottom of the deck is this card, Mother. So I think Taurus, you're also someone who is like a mother figure in the lives of many people around you. I don't know why I had to say that, but I'm just saying whatever has come to my mind. I hope, Taurus, you liked your reading for November 2020. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. I would also be happy if you would subscribe to my channel. We also have some weekly love reading which is published every week. Some pick a card reading, or some other readings are there with respect to things that could interest you. So maybe you could have a look at that as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.